go with NASCAR. All right, green flag racing for FKL sponsored Pro Trucks here. And it moves on the inside, the number 8 going to take the green flag. Ducks down on the inside of Chantel First. She chops him off. Decides, hey, guess what? You were behind me. Stay there. Pacheco at the back. And it will take the lead now as Andy loses number 8. Bill Zabrecki in number 18. Bringing with him Rick Kuchar in the number 38.
many stock drivers commented that the racetrack gets a little wider, 2.5 grooves, because that rubber that they lay down has a lot of stickum.
Exactly. Those super late models lay down a lot of rubber, makes it even wider for these guys to run. We love running our radial tires after us and doing as well as he's doing. He's running for rookie of the year right now, and he's up at top in points. Great run by Scott Lucas in the 27.
Well, the guy who had that truck before really knew what he was doing too, right?
Really? Who had that truck before?
Stan Reddicoff.
Oh, right. Stan Reddicoff. That would be me. That's right.
Hey, guess what I'm doing next weekend?
Talk to me.
I'm going to Outlook on the Pride of Poland is making his dirt track date.
Oh.
I paid for the darn. I should.
Yep, you might as well race it. We're going green flag racing here. And it's Tony Mecklechuck in the number 9, taking it.
Oh. Oh!
And we have a red flag situation. And these guys are coming around pretty quick here. We got a truck upside down. The number 1 in Deb Newnham is upside down. Trucks are coming every which direction. Deb is moving in her seat. As you can see, she is unbuckling at the moment. These trucks are built extremely safe. Get our ambulance rolling, our track personnel rolling here.
See that I caught the hind end. That was a bad one, Stan.
Yep, that was a bad one. It was off the start as we see our camera here showing Deb Newnham is moving around in the truck. They're able to get her unbuckled here. We're going to have a video replay as we got Rick Kuchar's truck was turned sideways. Trying to see which truck turned it sideways here. And in the meantime, the trucks at the back of the pack had nowhere to go, as Deb Newnham instantly turned up towards to go around Andy Clues on the outside. She was immediately hit by the number 33 of Scott Williams, who did not have a place to go whatsoever. He drove right over.
Go this time. Step on it now.
Come on.
Let's get a clean green flag race in. Green flag for Tony. And so far clean through. Corner number 1. Right through number 2. Scott Lucas down to the inside. And he rolls right on the bumper there in the in-car camera. You can see how close he actually is. And now just
What? Oh! Oh my god. Yeah, oh, Jordan. Give him a black flag. Oh! Oh my god. Oh! Oh! Go, Ken, go! White flag. Oh!
Wild Bill's the Breckie, rounding out your top 5 in our STL sponsored Pro Truck division. The number 9.